have my next wall ready to lift. Can't do this one by hand. It's just with a big header. That's an 8-foot header. With it in there, it's just too heavy and cumbersome. So I'm gonna do it like I did the first wall, and I have something to pull to, so I'll just stand it up right quick, get it nailed off, and then I can work on the other ones. I can do those by hand. Okay guys, the downstairs framing is finished. I have 1 or 2 nailers to put up. That's no big deal. But yeah, it's done. Turn around so you can see me. This is the kitchen. Walk on over, we got a hallway. There will be a door cut right there. You've already seen the bedroom and the bathroom and the master closet. But yeah, all this is done. It didn't take me that long really to get it done. I've had a lot of other stuff going on, I do have a couple of nailers to put up, but anyway, I've had a bunch of other stuff I've been trying to get finished up, but this is where I'm at here. I will be starting on the floor joist for the upstairs this week. I have to go pick up materials this week and try to get this done. I have been working on the roof. Those of not new to the channel will know that it just got too cold and slippery as winter got here last year. Came off the roof twice. Got tired of sliding off this tall roof, so I decided to just stop. The synthetic underlayment that I had down was good until this year anyway, so I decided just to shut it down and wait for warmer weather where my feet would actually stick. But you can see all this part of the roof is finished, so I've got all the metal work done here. Got all that caught up. Now it's on to finishing up. Sun's probably right in the camera. It's on to finishing up the framing on the inside. I'm gonna go ahead and get the floor joist for the upstairs done, the upstairs decking, get it down, and then it's time to start cutting out the rest of the doors and windows. When I get the window bucks and everything installed, I am going to start walnut. I'm gonna pressure wash all the logs, try to get everything as clean as I can get it. And then I'm going to start media blasting. That's going to bring all the logs and everything back to looking like new, I hope. And then it's time to start smoothing everything up, staining, sealing, and then it's time to start chinking. I'm trying to get this place as close to being dried in as it can be before winter gets here. That way I can work on all the plumbing and electrical and building the cabinetry and just finishing stuff. I can work on the inside now that it's, that we're pretty dried in away from the elements. All right, guys, it is the next day. Yes, it's raining. I'm trying to keep a lot of the water off the camera, but funky day outside. It's wet and nasty, but I got lumber for the floor joist for the upstairs. So I'm going to back the trailer over here, see if I can get that unloaded, brought in here in the house. It can dry out just a little bit and I can get busy now that it's sort of dried in. I can keep working. The rain's not going to slow me down, not that much anyway. Okay, you can see what I'm doing here. Putting my bridging in the middle, which it keeps me, it keeps these plumb, and it also adds a little stiffness support, and it keeps them from shaking all around. I may come back and put a row of X bracing on each side. I don't know yet. I just really want a stiff floor. But now it's time to switch gears. These are all 14 foot or roughly. And now I have to run a row of 18 footers across here. The landing for the stairs is going to come out here roughly 4 feet, and the stairs will go back that way. So I need to run the lumber out this way, hanging over this, and that's why I have the 18 footers. So I've got those cut. Go ahead and get those run up there right quick. And hopefully I can run on down this wall today. It's getting late. Don't know how far I'm going to get. I had to go get the lumber, and it's raining, and yeah, you saw all that. So this ought to be fun. Okay. All right, guys, I think I'm gonna stop right there. It's getting late, it's hot. I still have other things to do. So that's a good stopping point. I have most of the bedroom covered. I know this looks kind of strange, sticking out here like this, but it's running wild. Some of this is gonna get cut off. It will get boxed in, and it's just a landing for the stairs, for upstairs. The stairs will come out this way to another landing, and then it'll turn and come here. So all this will make sense when it's finished. But I'll get back out here tomorrow, work on some more, try to continue on down through the house, and hopefully here in the next couple of days, I'll start working on the back half. It's gonna be kind of tricky working against the log wall on the back side. I need to see just exactly where everything's gonna fall. If it falls in the center of the log, I can run a 2x12 down it and use regular joist hangers. If not, I may have to custom make some joist hangers and notch the logs and put them in. I won't know that until I get ready to put them up, but I'll cross that bridge when I get there. So that's it. See you guys next time.